Hello, it's Miss Hake, and we are talking all about left and right and left. So that interesting video really helped us understand left and right. So you're going to receive a worksheet or a template that has some squares. And in the middle of the squares, there's going to be L for left and R for right, or even the word left and right. So let's take a look at Miss Hake's here. Okay, so between these two squares, I have to put my special gem in the left one. Which one would be the left one? Would it be this one? How did you know? Or would it be this one? How did you know? Let's take a look. Which one makes the L with my hand? This one does. Left. R stands for right. So, right and right. Perfect. And then you might get to play again by getting a different card or a different sheet and practicing your lefts and your rights today. Let's do another one really quick. I'm going to do the words this time. I'm going to make my squares. And this is something that you can do with a friend if you have whiteboards. There it is. Now I'm going to write the word in the middle. So left. I'm going to try to trick my friend. Ooh. So they can read it. So I know left starts with an L and right starts with an R. I'm going to see if Squirrel can come and help. Okay, Squirrel, can you pick up a gem and read the first one? Left. Okay, so which one's left? Don't throw it. That's not nice. Oh, that's right. Read the second one. Left. Oh, you did it again. So get another gem. Put it down. What does the third one say? Right. Where's your right? There it is. Good job. And what does the last one say? Can you read it? Left. Ooh. Do you remember where left is, Squirrel? Yep. There it is. Super fun. Amazing. So you can create these games and these boards with your friends, or you can do it with your teacher or your parent if you're at home. And then you can practice on some of the sheets and templates that we have included with this lesson. All right. Have fun practicing your left and your right. Bye.